Hey everybody, it's your professor again, Virginia, and what we're talking about today is epistemology. That's the next part of our unit, which is looking at epistemology and social construction. Epistemology is a big word for a simple idea, which is simply how do we know what we know? In sociology, we use scientific methods, social scientific methods, in order to know what we know. The reading for this unit is all about the different ways that sociologists talk about how we know what we know, how you can read carefully to detect whether people are using the basics of sociological methods, social scientific methods, in order to make the claims that they're making. This is very important when we're talking about families because, as you showed in your last bit of work on normativity, people make claims, they identify information, and inside those claims are a lot of values. There's no such thing as work that's value free, and what you'll see is that the claims that social scientists are making also have values. There's the claims that you all were making on your posts about your discussion board posts about for Googling for normativity. You were one of the most common values that was expressed in that was the value of respecting diversity and noticing diversity. So the identifying epistemology, looking at how we know things, helps us to dig more deeply to find out, well, how do we construct our own claims and how do others construct their claims about knowledge? I think you'll enjoy this reading. You'll read about different kinds of research about how what claims are made about families and how they work. You'll read about domestic violence research and qualitative methods. You'll read about cause versus correlation in talking about whether family structure makes a difference, which the authors argue and demonstrate it does not, or whether the way that families function makes a difference in terms of individuals and family well-being. You'll also, after you do the reading, you'll do some advice that you generate based on the reading that is for one of your discussion posts, and then you're going to do additional reading for a second discussion post that's about how you're reading other people's arguments around epistemology or ways of knowing. So the content is very interesting. I'll let the other people speak about the ideas in their writing, but what I want to draw your attention to is that you're learning about epistemology or ways of knowing, and this adds to your toolkit of normativity that you've been studying. So have fun. Bye.